Every day, in countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia, millions of motorbikes are washed. But here's the truth, most people never think about. The helmet, the thing we wear every single day, rarely get clean. It absorbs sweat, dust, bacteria, and eventually it smells bad. And yet, many riders have never washed their helmets ever. But something interesting happened when we asked customer, would you like to clean your helmet while we wash your bike? 8 out of 10 say yes. Imagine this, while a fully automatic bike wash takes care of the motorbike, a helmet cleaning machine works in parallel, washing, sterilizing, and drying the helmet. No extra staff, no waiting, just efficient and synchronized service. The bike is clean, the helmet is fresh, all done within minutes. Cleaning a helmet isn't just about hygiene, it's about how your customer feel when they put it back on. The soft lining, the fresh smell, the sense of care, it creates a small moment of delight, and those moments are what bring people back. And this is the best part. This combo is designed to be hands-free. The automatic motorbike wash follows a preset program. It spray foam, scrub the bike thoroughly, rinses with a clean water, and complete the cycle in just a few minutes without needing manual effort. The helmet washer handles all helmet types, half, 3/4, full face, with a cycle that includes water wash, steam sterilization, and hot air drying. This isn't just about convenience, it's about smart business. More value per customer visit, higher customer satisfaction, reduced labor dependency, and faster operation during peak hours, while other lose customers on weekends and holidays due to slow service. You keep the line moving and keep people coming back. In 2025, people don't just want to clean vehicles, they want a clean and complete experience. This is not just a bike wash, not just a helmet service. This is the new standard of care. It's efficient, it's automatic, and it is what your customers are looking for. Whether you're in Asia, the Middle East, or anywhere in the world, we are here to help. Contact us now to get started. This could be your next big move.